Welcome to Trigonometry Tricks. Today, we are going to learn the absolute easiest way to remember the signs of trigonometric functions in every quadrant. It is a simple mnemonic called All Students Take Calculus. First, let's look at the coordinate plane. It is divided into 4 regions called quadrants. We number them 1 through 4 using Roman numerals, starting from the top right and moving counterclockwise. Why do we need a trick? Because trigonometric functions like sine, cosine, and tangent change their signs from positive to negative depending on where the angle lands. It can be very confusing to keep track of without a system. Here is the solution. We map the phrase, all students take calculus, to the 4 quadrants. We start in Quadrant I and go counterclockwise. The first letter of each word tells us which function is positive. Let's start with Quadrant I. The word is all. This means that all trigonometric functions, sine, cosine, and tangent, are positive here. If your angle is between 0 and 90 degrees, everything is positive. Moving to Quadrant II, the word is students, which starts with an S. This stands for sine. In this quadrant, only sine is positive. Cosine and tangent are both negative. Next is Quadrant III. The word is take, starting with a T. This stands for tangent. Here, tangent is the only positive function. Sine and cosine are negative. Finally, we have Quadrant IV. The word is calculus, starting with a C. This stands for cosine. In the 4th quadrant, cosine is positive, while sine and tangent are negative. So remember, ASTC, all students take calculus. All are positive, then sine, then tangent, then cosine. Use this simple chart on your next test, and you will never mix up your signs again.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.